So welcome guys, I'm going to be playing some Minecraft. One thing I do want to talk about, and I'm just going to preface this now, I'm just going to pretty much speed run the game up to a certain point just to get started. But there's a topic that I want to talk about, and what am I going to name this? I just named it YouTube, fuck it. Okay, so let's get started. One thing I do want to talk about is the fact that Minecraft has made quite a comeback. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Minecraft has been showing up a lot lately. I guess I'll go ahead and ask this: is Minecraft a good game, and what makes it a good game? Like what makes so many people? And see, I've had these like spurts where I'll play Minecraft a lot, and then I'll stop playing it, and then I'll come back to it again. So like this is one of those times where I come back to the game. And it's not necessarily because it's much different than most of your games. There's no story. It's a very sandbox game. I mean, you can do pretty much whatever you want. I mean, I haven't played this game in probably. I mean, I've been playing it recently, but in before that, it was like a year that I didn't play this game, and so much has been added. I finally picked it back up, and there are apparently underwater temples and. Look at that. Freaking sea turtles now. I mean, look, what the fuck? There's a sea turtle! Crazy. So, the way I'm going to play this series is probably, up until a certain point, it's going to be like basic survival. Why is there a missing block there? Minecraft has made it so much more. They made it to where you have different ways of doing things. And what I mean by that is, okay, traditionally you would go down to either a mine shaft level or diamond level and you would get diamonds. Well, now you can get these treasure maps. They take you to a chest and boom, diamonds. And you also find like emeralds and all kinds of other ores. But yeah, you can find all sorts of stuff so much easier than going down to diamond level, risking the mobs, having to go through cave systems, getting lost, where all you have to do now, really, you can still do that, or you can build a boat, which is something you can do at the start of the game. All it takes is a couple of wooden planks. I don't know where those bats are. But yeah, all you have to do is build a boat and then go off to sea. Oh god! Boop, 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 boop. Copyrighted. Oh shit. It's dark outside. I don't know where I am. Now I have a home. And I lost my crafting table. Shit. Now I just need iron. Alright, there's 2 sheep. If there's 3, I would not hesitate to kill them. Oh, there is. Shit, let's do it. Watch him be like, one's a gray piece, a gray sheep. Now I've just ruined all my chances. Like, that really irritates me. But, I don't have to do. Damn it. Shit. One thing I will say is if you guys have any, like, suggestions on... Oh my any suggestions on like what I should do in this world, or you know, anything really, I don't care. 100% put it in the comments, or you know, whatever. I will see it and I will probably do it because this is for you guys. This world right here is all for you. Imagination. Why am I not getting any seats? What kind of game is this? Precious. I found it. That is what I'm talking about. Now we have iron. Yeah, buddy. Oh! I need to make some torches. That's frightening. Oh! Yeah. Oh yeah. Eat him. Whoop his ass. What you doing, dog? Eat him. Oh no. Where'd he go? Coming to whoop your ass! Another one. Another one! Oh my gosh! Dude, the dogs down here are saving my life. Oh, that could have been bad. Ah! That's freaking me out. Damn, I got destroyed. I did my best. Okay. Done with that. I wanna be the very best. Oh my god, there are 3 of you. Oh god! And a creeper? Yeah, blow up. Wanna say hi to the camera? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so fat. Ugh. Yep. It's my animal. No. Hey, sweet boy. He's about 4 feet long and 21 pounds. He's a big animal. He's not quite like a full-size Mancoon because he's mixed, but he's pretty big. Fill up my bucket. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is prepare what we're going to do next video. That's just getting everything ready. That way when we start the next, when I open the world again, we can just zoom straight back to the mine. Get diamonds. Go to the nether. I want to try to do that. Next video, I want to try to get to the nether. So I'll need to get 3 diamonds at least. 3 diamonds. I guess, what is it, 12 obsidian, 10 obsidian? It's like... Yeah, 10 obsidian. So, I'm going to stop it right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, let me know, either liking or commenting. Helps out a lot. If you have any suggestions for what to do in the world, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll read them. And if it's something interesting, or really if it's anything, I will do it. So, yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.